My great-grandfather, who was a cantor, and he was a world-known cantor. His name was Aryeh Leib Schlossberg. He had several different names. It was sort of like bluesmen. They would have, for publicity's purposes, they would have, his name was the voice of the lion, Shagas Ari. He was called Leon, which is like lion, or Harry, which was like Ari, A-R-Y-E. He had all those names. When he came to the United States in 1904, New York Times had a long article about him. He was paid very well. He was very well off. He was well off, and he was well known in Russia and in Europe. He sang in all the major cities of the world. He sang with so much emotion that whatever key he was singing in made almost no difference. He would slip through keys with absolutely no respect for the rules of music. But he had a very powerful voice, and he was known for that. Originally, he was born in a little town called Jacobpils, which is in Latvia. It's actually one side of the river is Latvia, one side is Lithuania. And then he moved to Polotsk, which is in Lithuania, and his wife made shoes, had a shoe factory. And the anecdote is that he would travel all around the world as a famous cantor, and in his suitcase he always had a sample of shoes. And he would always say, "I'm really here as a shoe salesman," and that was the anecdote.